What's in dog food? Have you ever asked yourself, what's in the kibble? Research shows that 1 in 4 dogs get cancer in their lifetime, and if they're over the age of 10, that percentage increases to 50%. We know that food is the bedrock of our health. High-carb diets are shown to be bad for humans, and surprise, surprise, they're bad for your dog as well. Modern kibble is full of preservatives, filler, dyes, synthetics, anything you can think of. Most of it rarely has any raw food in it. If you're interested in trying something new with your pet this holiday season, give Smack a try. 100% natural, real food, made with real food, no synthetics, none of that. It's a low-carb recipe. In short, it's raw, dehydrated superfood for your dogs. We are running a 60-day pet food challenge, so come in, give them a sample, try real whole food for 60 days and see if they want to go back to kibble. The odds are they're not going to.